students, today we will discuss about our map. Our chapter name is Understanding our World Map. First of all, we will know about important definitions. Map. A map is a drawing to show some area of the earth. Key, it tells us what the symbols and colors used on the map means. Scale, it tells us how big the area actually is. For example, if the area on the map is 1 centimeter, it may be 1 kilometer on the earth. Compass rose, it shows the general directions on the map, and the arrowhead tells us where north is. Students, look at the top of the map. It is arrowhead and it shows the direction of the north. Now, look at the map. It is map of Pakistan, and these are neighbor countries of Pakistan: Afghanistan, China, India and Iran. Students, this is the international boundary of the map of Pakistan and its color is red. This is a blue color and it shows the Arabian Sea. Look at this map, Pakistan provinces. There are 5 provinces of Pakistan: Balochistan, Sindh, Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Gilgit-Baltistan.